Welcome to Fashion Trends. In today's video, we're going to be seeing about how to drape yourself a super cute half saree. So let's go. So friends, you can try going on wearing your half saree with your super cute gold from Catalogue jewelry. You can try to drape it in a lehenga like model to get a more of a unique look. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to Fashion Trends, check out their WhatsApp group link, join the group for these amazing collections of half saree. Just seen in this video, check out the description box for the WhatsApp group.